There is one thing we can all agree upon. The American dream remains rooted in homeownership. But today, your American dream is being built inside and being placed in one of our convenient and amenity-rich manufactured home communities. With a factory-built home in a manufactured home community, you have the opportunity to match up your new home with amenities that fit your lifestyle. In a manufactured home community, you get the best of both worlds. A brand new home that's built to your specifications with all the amenities, but without the high cost and lengthy construction timelines of site-built homes. Today's modern factory-built homes offer all the modern conveniences and amenities that you would expect in a traditional home, such as modern kitchens, spacious living areas, and ample storage. In a community, you can find an outdoor oasis that's perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or just spending time with neighbors. Make the American dream your dream as well. To learn more, contact a local factory-built community near you.